Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22.
Pelikan Rescue System for Sailing. The Pelikan, a one-of-a-kind lifesaver for sailing yachts. It's designed to scoop up, secure, and lift people out of the water, all in one smooth motion. The folks behind it are aiming to shake up the world of sailboat gear with this innovative gadget. But here's the catch. While it sounds amazing, info about it is hard to come by. Their website has been dormant for a while, and their Kickstarter campaign didn't quite hit the mark, only raising a fraction of what they hoped for. Despite the mystery, one thing's for sure. Made in Germany, this system is a breeze to install on any side of your yacht. It's good to go right out of the box and can rescue both people and cargo in a pinch. Pretty handy, right?
For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.